In this video we are going to review Farberware Classic Wood Rolling Pin. This one of the most popular and best wood rolling pin you can buy right now. We made this review based on its performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, we hope this video will help you to decide is it worthy for you or not. We also mention product link in description below for check availability and updated prices. So, let's talk about Farberware Classic Wood Rolling Pin. This Farberware Classic Wood Rolling Pin makes rolling out pie crusts, pastry shells and pizza dough quick and easy, and is an essential tool in any kitchen. Made from durable, moisture-resistant hardwood, the rolling pin features comfortable, easy grip handles for added comfort and control. Rust-proof nylon bearings provide smooth rolling action. Hand wash with a damp cloth for best results. This is more durable, which is made from moisture-resistant hardwood. Have a comfort grip handles are designed to provide maximum comfort and control while using. Users can make smooth operation with rust-proof nylon bearings provide a superior rolling experience. It's versatile, great for rolling out pizza dough, pie crusts, tarts, and cookies. Easy to clean, hand wash with a damp cloth for best results. Easy to use, which is clearly marked measurements take the guesswork out of cooking and baking. For details, let's watch more.
With Farberware. No matter the time of day, create delicious meals that are sure to please. Farberware makes everyday cooking so much easier. With high-quality, multi-purpose products that take you from start to finish. From flavorful breakfasts to delicious dinner-time favorites. Meet the demands of today's busy lifestyles with Farberware.